Hi, I'm Mike from Catholic Treehouse, and today I'm going to challenge you to be a saint. Around the year 315, St. Cyril was born in Jerusalem. His early life is a bit of a mystery, and most biographies start when he was ordained a priest. St. Cyril's biblical knowledge was deep and exhaustive, and he was put in charge of educating catechumens prior to baptism. These lectures were written down and still exist to this day. When the bishop died in 348, St. Cyril was chosen the bishop of Jerusalem. He sometimes found himself opposed by others in the church, falsely accused of supporting the Arian heresy, and 3 times he was forced into exile. Despite these difficulties and challenges, he persevered. He died in 387, and his works earned him the title Doctor of the Church in 1883. Here is your challenge for today. According to recent polls, only 1/3 of Catholics believe in the real presence of Jesus Christ in the Eucharist. This is the key and central element to the Catholic faith, and something St. Cyril taught his catechumens. Today, read his Lecture 22 about the real presence, and be prepared to use it to teach others about the real presence. See the show notes for a link. The Saint Challenge is brought to you by Catholic Treehouse. Find us online at catholictreehouse.com or thesaintchallenge.com. If you're enjoying the Saint Challenge, challenge a friend to join you. Also, be sure to join our growing community at catholictreehouse.locals.com, where you can support our work. Together, let's be saints.